Cassie Sharpe, big aerial assault, excellent trick. She's got the grabs. What's running through her mind right now?
I think Cassie's just trying to muster up a little energy and motivation. I talked to her earlier in the week, and she was just saying she was having a hard time really digging deep to get amped up. She's feeling a little bit exhausted. That whole qualifying process for the Olympics ain't no easy feat. So we'll see if she can get amped up for this last run. Looks like she's got a little more energy than she did in those first two.
Only as good as your last run. Let's see what she starts it off with. Big mute grab.
Into the right side 900. There's that flare. And a right side 360, looking over that shoulder into the switch left 360. Doing a nice big straight air.
The final hit, which she missed last time, puts it to her
and
feet.
Doing a left 9. Interesting strategy. So she was starting her run with that 900. What we saw this run, she dropped in and did a straight air instead so that she could finish her run with that 900. I think she wasn't feeling quite comfortable landing switch on that bottom hit. So she put her run to her feet, had some technicality, had some great amplitude. We're going to have to see what the judges think. I'm glad I'm not a judge at this moment.
Yeah, but getting the butterflies out of the way and putting the run down that she wanted to, and you'll see there's the details. Up and over the eyes, spotting landing. And what I liked is she was matching the top of the transitions. What that does is continues the speed all the way throughout the pipe.
Absolutely. Matching the angle of her ski to the slope of the pipe wall so she can get the maximum amount of speed into the next hit. And there's that left 900. Tickling the grab, not fully locking onto it, but really landed perfectly. I mean, she brings that around great, and she's pretty pumped. Don't blink.
All right, so score to beat, 92 to slide into the lead for the gold momentarily. One more competitor, Marie Martineau, yet to go, and there you see up top on the hat, needs a 92.01 for the lead. Judges doing their thing up top. Cassie waiting, score coming. You've been in this position a few times, Jen. And 88.66, it is good for third place.